And we're back to learn CapCut in the year day 38. Let's talk about the markers. It's the next function in the top menu right here. You can add one exactly where your slider is, but be aware if your clip isn't active, this will be added, so the marker will be added to your timeline. Otherwise, whatever you've got selected with the left click in your timeline will get the marker. You can also see if you move it to a position where there already is a marker. You can add a second one for the clip. But the clip here already has one, and now the icon changes to delete marker. So you can use that now to delete it. Same goes for the timeline if it's deselected. But another way to delete them is to right click on one of these markers and you will find delete marker or delete all markers for the specific position, for example here for the timeline or previously for the clip. Last option is edit marker. You can give it different colors. Let's set the position. Let me left click drag here a little bit to 5 seconds and you can rename it. Let us add another one, just randomly, then right click on it, edit marker, or set it to 10 seconds. We call that to 2. And for the timeline as well, right click on one of these, then delete all markers, all will be gone at the same time. One more thing to add, if you have markers on an element, let's say this clip right here, and then you delete the clip and bring the original back, the markers will be deleted as well. And this way you can use the markers in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.